Hmm? Wow. Well, I have to warn everyone about this. Hello everyone, listen up. I have something important to announce you. Oh boy, here we go. Will you shut up? Okay everyone, today we are going to celebrate the Railway Series 80th anniversary. The Railway Series 80th anniversary? Oh, the indignity. I just don't get it. Why do people always celebrate anniversaries? It's like every day, Tony. Yeah, matey. Oh. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Are you ready to say happy 80th anniversary to the Railway Series? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Say it. Happy 80th anniversary to the Railway Series. Now, let's end this video with a theme song and a picture of 80th anniversary.